Hey guys, Ivy here, and it's time for Dollar General's ad preview this week for 112 to 118. Guys, we already into the middle of the month. So we're going to start off actually with some great food snack deals, because I don't call that food. But these are back 5 for 5. Hopefully they'll give us that that other coupon. It was $2. And this Starry you'll pick up and it'll make it cheap like we did on our any day deals. Make sure you look at that. This Chips Ahoy video is back. 3 for $9, $3 coupon, making them 3 for $6 or $2 each. Good deal. 2 for $7. Hopefully they'll do that. Spend 9, save 3, and then you'll grab 2 more dollar items, and that'll be a good deal. Buy one, get one 50% off on the Maxwell and IHOP coffee. 3 for $6 on the Quaker. The Crunch Berries, 3 for $6, so that's $2 each. They coming in this year with great deals on cereal. So now we actually have this game deal going on. Spend 30, save 5. This coupon never works for me, guys, so that's why you never see me do it. Now this is a universal coupon, $2, and it's for everything game. Now I heard it's supposed to be some more game coupons coming out. You guys know I'll give you the hookup if so. Now Purex and Persil is sharing a $2 coupon again, which is fine. Then we have Yay, our $3 coupon back on Arm & Hammer, making that big 77 low, $6.50. Now, I think this is a rollover coupon, and it is the $2 digital on the Dawn. Then we have $1 off on the Ajax, low as $3.50. Hopefully, it'll attach to the small one. Sometimes it glitches and attaches to that smaller one. Now, we do have some more digital buy 2, save 3. This is a great deal. I love when this deal come out. Sometimes if your coupon is not expiring, I try to wait until about Monday or Tuesday, because that's when everything starts working correctly. 3 for $12. Buy 2 of these, save 3. And then they have this in a little box that you probably could add on to it. But of course, you guys know that it's other stuff in the store, right? Doritos, then you have the 2 for $6 Lay's. I don't see me buying Lay's 2 for $6 since they've been giving us that coupon. Then the Fritos are 2 for $8. Now in this box, Angel, so pay attention, guys, because we've been using that coupon, that glitch. The Angel saw 4 for $12, right? It's 4 in the pack. It's $3.75. It's a $1 coupon that's been attaching, and it shouldn't be. This 50-cent coupon might trump it, and then that $1 coupon might stop working, and this one might start working. So if you're going to use that $1 coupon, I will hurry up. Well, let's hope that $1 coupon attached to this, and that'll be $3.50 for 6 rolls. Okay, and then you have True Living. Those are $8. I probably wouldn't touch those right now. And we have a freebie, Airwick. Yes, I love when this deal comes about, because it also makes for a great 5 off 25 scenario, guys. Go and watch my video today, Dollar General 5 off 25, and their Christmas clearance video, guys. It's awesome. Okay, now we have the 3 for 15, 12 packs, which we don't have to really mess with those. If Walgreens, because I don't gatekeep. Buy 2, get 2. Chips Ahoy 2 for $5.50. That's back on that big bag. Boom Chicken is $3.50. CVS has a great deal. I'll be putting the CVS. Today is the last day for their awesome buy one, get one freeze, guys. And popcorn is in that. This is $5.50. They didn't have these for a while. They got the taquitos back, huh? Then that's just junk food. And I definitely would not be touching this, because we got so much of that free. Even with the candy, I would kind of wait until it get closer to Valentine's Day. Then the prices will start dropping, because he is $1.50 save when you buy 2 nuggets, but these are like $5 a piece, right? So in here you're gonna see 2 for $9 Folgers, 2 for $2. Look, they went on ahead and just put it at 2 for $2, but hopefully they give us a coupon and it'll be lower than that. The Starbucks is $6.95. And then you have the 2 for $6 General Mills. I probably wouldn't touch that, especially since I have the Quaker that's 3 for $6. These are $2.50. If it's that coupon glitch and it gave us that free one, that was awesome. Splenda 2 for $5. And then the Nabisco is 2 for $7. 3 for $5 on the soups. 2 for $4 on the Progresso. 3 for $5 on the Campbell's. Oh, okay. I will do that one. They have a couple of deals going on, like the Taco Bell sauce is $1.75. The chili sauces are 75 cents. Walmart has sauces for 32 cents, guys. 4 for $5 on the chow mein. Now, if it's these packs, the 6 packs, 4 for $5, that's the deal. If it's the singles, probably, I need a coupon for that one. Michelin's $1.35. Then the True Living 3 for $5, the plates. And they are 14 count or 20 counts, okay? Bowls, too. Over here, okay, now remember last week we had a lot of coupons that were high values. Make sure you look at your coupons and see what's high value and use those, okay? 5 off 25. It is some medication deals in there that brought down a deal all the way to $7 with 2 detergents and tissue. So go try that one. Okay, and then that is BOGO, and these are $6 for the Skin to Man. It's a $3 coupon, $1 off the soft soap, which is $2.75. Then they gave us the Axe buy 2 save. Now I don't know if that's just for the deodorant. Now that last one, it was just for deodorant, so this one might be for the body wash. Okay, and that deodorant coupon expires today. The Irish Spring, they gave us $2 off. I would do the Irish Spring because it's $5.35. And then they gave us $3 off a Dove, which the deodorant is the one that's attached for $5. Okay. Now we have this toothpaste, $2.50, and the one is $3.35. So that's below $1. Then their True Living scented oils is $1 off. That's not worth it. And here is that Essential Mist starter kit. It'll be $6 coupon. Great 5 off 25. They gave us the Febreze Small Space for 95 cents. Again, I throw these. Do you guys put these in your car? Put them in my car. And then the Cascade. Now, that Cascade 2 coupon was attaching to one that was $5.50. They brought out this one and put it. Now, it might only attach to this one now, so be careful. Here's $1 off the Palmolive for $1.75. Great deal. I just don't think this is a good deal. But it's $1 off 50 off coupon. And it is only 21 ounces. It's small. That, I wish they would go down on this Suavitel, and that would be a greater deal. And then that $3 coupon also is universal for Tide and Gain. And it's $1 General. Now going to the back. This was great, and everyone was buying it. And so they stopped giving us the one for $5.95 and upped it for $9.95. So I won't do that deal. 3 for $5 on the RC's Canada Dries. I will probably go for the 5 for $5 for that. 3 for $10, again, $3.69. They charging us about $3.35 for each one of these. I will hold off. $5.75 on a Pachetta. My kids kind of like that. These Takis, they definitely like them. 2 for $7. These are 2 for $4, and the Celsius are 2 for $14. Again, I don't gatekeep. CVS. Go watch. You'll be able to watch my CVS video by 1 o'clock. Buy one, get one. Charmin, $1 off. Here is the Power Mops. Now, I use these in my shops, guys, and I just don't think they deals is getting good enough for me. Maybe I'll try this one. And then what is this? Spend $40 on food, on pet food, save $8. Then you have 50 cents off on True Living, and 2 for $10.50 healthy. Whenever these are out, I grab that, and then automotive. Okay, guys, I hope you all enjoyed this preview. Make sure you like and subscribe, Ivy's Coupon Count, and share it with everyone, guys. If you follow me on TikTok, I'm trying to get people to come over to my YouTube because apparently we won't be having that anymore. Thanks, guys. Bye.